Hello students, today we try to understand important topic of water resources engineering, which is water distribution system in canal. How water distribute in the canal from reservoir or any dam or any storage to the canal, and this water in how much manner this water is bring towards the field, okay, for irrigation. So first of all we look towards this picture, okay. This is a picture in which it is the starting of the canal. Means first of all the reservoir or water comes to the catchment area of any main storage. So it is a main storage reservoir. Its capacity is very large, okay. So river comes from outside to this and water store from each catchment area. Means it is a sloping area, so water comes in this main storage from all sources of the natural sources of the river or any stream, okay, from which main storage a gate is provided here for regulating the or controlling the water, which further moves or take off from this main reservoir or main storage to the river, and through river it brings in the another storage which is known as temporary storage. Means it is a type of a barrage. Means simple a barrier. It does not contain, it can't be store water, okay. So if you will see the example of Rana Pratap Sagar Dam or Jawahar Sagar Dam, Gandhi Sagar Dam in the MP near to the Raudbhata, okay, through which water comes in the barrage, Kota barrage, where water stores, where water is barriered, okay, water is controlled through a gate, okay. Means there is no storage capacity of the barrage. Simple a barrier is provided here to control the water through which canals are take off and river comes as it is. Means in besides of this water, the water used for irrigation purpose is take off to these canals. The canal which take off from the left side of the barrage, it is termed as left main canal, and if canal take off from right part of the barrier or barrage, it termed as right main canal, okay, because direction in this way, okay, direction is in this way. So left part is this and right part is this. if he stands towards the facing towards the in this direction. Okay, so it is known as left main canal and right main canal. So we will see another picture of the particular distribution system in which river flow in this direction, and through which in the through the river canal is take off, that is known as main canal. It may be right main canal or it may be left main canal. And for controlling the water from river to this canal, a head regulator, means canal head regulator, is provided here. Okay, from this main canal another branch canal, or we can say distributary, is take off from this main canal. The discharge of this branch canal is less as compared to the main canal, and from this branch canal another canal is distributed or take off. It is known as distributary minor, or we can say minor. The discharge of this minor or other distributary is less than this branch canal. Okay, so you can see the again minor is take off from this head sub distributary. Okay, minor, and discharge of this minor, it is less than this sub distributary. Through this minor, outlet is provided here, and water is is supplied in the field near to the minor or any channel which carry water for irrigation. Outlet is provided here, and from outlet a water courses or field channel is provided to carry the water from minor to this field. Okay, outlet works as a regulator to control the water in the field, and when no necessity of water, then outlets is shut down, so that water available in this minor is move through this minor in the another field, or for further movement of the water in the another area. Okay, so you are able to see here that escape channel is provided here. What is the purpose of escape channel? We have studied in last lecture. The purpose of this escape channel, when excess water comes in this main canal during flood condition, when heavy rainfall will taken place, then discharge is more in this main canal. So to protect from destruction of this through this flood, during flood, additional water is escaped further in river to protect this canal. So it is known as escape channel, sediment escape channel. Okay, so this is overall the water distribution system through which the irrigation is being takes place in the command area, through the command area development. Thank you very much.